Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn how to make process screen, linking that screen using plant view and navigating between two process screens in SmartComm PMS. To make a process screen, navigate to the IDE window, click on Screen option and open a new screen. Save the screen on your process screen folder. Navigate to Property Editor. Change the width as 1920 and height as 830 for a perfect screen size. Change the background color of the screen. To add a widget, search LT label in the left and drag-drop the LT label. Name it. Go to Property Editor, then Alignment Property. Select Horizontal Alignment as Align 8 Center. Give background color. Change the font color through color. Choose the required point size and make it bold. Select geometry width as 1920 and save the screen. Now to link screens using plant view, go to Viewer window and log in. Viewer window will open. Go to Configurator, click on Plant View. Right-click on blank space, click on Create Parent and name it. Right-click on Parent node and click on Add Child node and name it. Right-click on Child node, click on Link Screen, then KPI Dashboard, add path of created process screen and save. Now, go to Dashboard, Plant, Refresh. Click on the created parent node and double-click on the child node. Process screen will appear on the viewer screen. Now we will learn how to add images to screen. To add images, go to IDE window. Go to Image Library, search to Images and drag-drop an images. Click on Image. Go to Object Inspector, double-click on OBJ and rename it. Select Other Image and repeat the same process. Now, save the screen. Right-click on blank space of screen, Script Editor window will open. Click on plus icon, click on Start Live, select Action as Start Live. Click on Open Tag List, select desired tag and click on Submit. Click on plus icon, close the LT Script Editor tab. Click on Edit Code, then Show Code. Write the if-else condition as shown. Right-click on blank space, widget list and select image name, then set background color. Delete this part and click on this icon. Select the desired color and click on Select Color. For else part, repeat the same process. Now, right-click on blank space, widget list, image name, then select Set Visible. and do the changes as shown. Repeat the same process for else part. Click on Hide Code, Save, OK. Click on Edit Code, OK, and click on Save. Now go to Viewer, then Dashboard. Double-click on Screen. The changes will be visible on the screen. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.